The Richardson Citizens Academy and Resource Education Series, better known as CARES, offers people a hands-on look at how the City of Richardson operates behind the scenes.
CARES has been wonderful. Every place that we've gone to, the people have been fantastic and eager to share with us their work and what they do and how they interact with the city overall.
Over the past 8 weeks, participants connected with a wide range of city departments, from police and fire to health and parks and recreation.
I haven't gone to a single one where there hasn't been someone who's very animated and very enthusiastic about the work they do and what they provide to the city.
Tonight, the class stepped into the spotlight at the Eisman Center, touring the venue and learning how performances are produced throughout the year. Attendees even got an exclusive preview of upcoming shows.
This has been so cool today. I have enjoyed it so much because, you know, I came to the orientation and they took us to the different arenas, but we didn't get to see the behind the scenes. So that has been wonderful.
The group also explored the work of the Communications and Engagement Department, learning how the city keeps residents informed through Richardson Today, our weekly city newsletters, and a growing network of social media platforms.
It's like pulling the curtain behind to take a look at city government. A lot of people don't take municipal government, especially they'll take government in school, but this is an opportunity to see how local government works.
Each CARES session featured interactive demonstrations, facility tours, and opportunities to ask questions directly to city staff.
This is a chance for people to really talk with the people who are doing the work and learn how they do it. And they get to put hands-on equipment, they get to see some demonstrations, and really see behind the scenes what happens.
If you're interested in joining next year's CARES class, visit core.net/CARES for more information. Thank you for watching Richardson Today, keeping you connected.